Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel. Today, it's Sunday. It's time for a shave. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. Got 3 days worth of growth here. And today's shave soap is by Stirling Soap Company. Thumbnail. And this is Triumph. Now, I've had this on the channel in the past. And it is a nice, crisp, clean scent. Oh yeah, here's what it looks like. This is one of those times where they had ran out of the green tubs and put it in a clear tub. So it's kind of cool, you know, something a little different. The scent notes on it is going to be mandarin orange, sea notes, grapefruit, jasmine, bay leaf, ambergris, patchouli, oak moss, and some kind of Golgaic wood or something. I don't know how to pronounce it. Anyway, this is a dupe on the Paco Rabanne Invictus, and I figured I would just go with a full bore Stirling shave. This is the Stirling Razor that came out some years ago, and I'm just using the standard plate on it, but this thing is just a beauty of a razor. And I have the Gillette 7 o'clock yellow blade loaded up in it. I already have the soap whipped up here in my Captain's Choice copper bowl, and I'm using a Stirling brush with a I think, if I remember right, I took the knot out of this one and put a badger and boar combo knot in it, but used 1/4 teaspoon and 15 mils of water. And it whipped up a nice thin lather. I probably could have used a little bit less water, but that's what I did today. My wife enjoys this scent. Oh yeah. I can smell it filling up the room as we speak. All right, gonna warm up the razor here. I've got a bowl full of warm water and get going with pass number 1 with the grain. I know I've mentioned in the past, this razor here was designed by Rod, or at least he wanted the specs to be like the Gillette Slim on the highest setting. And then there is a hyper aggressive plate, which I have. The Dobie had to come in and check out. Excuse me. For some people, this blade, or the combo of the blade gap and all that, might be a little bit much. I find it highly efficient. It's taken down the stubble with no problems. A lot of people could get away with 1 pass. And every time I use it, it just puts that smile on my face. And it's one of those things, you have to respect the razor a little bit because it can get you. I don't know why I waited so long to shave between, you know, the last video and this one. Thought Thought I'd seen a brush hair. Must have slipped back into the lather. All right, pass number 2 across the grain. Yep, picked it up. Got an email last night from Stirling. I think it was last night. And it was talking about some of the new scents that was being released. Kind of interesting to see some of the new stuff. Nice. I'm gonna get cleaned up with some cold water. I'll be right back. Was it just me, or did the shave go by pretty quick? Very nice and close. No problem at all. I have the glacial splash, and that lid is tight. I must have really tightened that up. Feel that menthol. I'm going to follow that up with a little bit of Star Jelly to help lock in the moisture. I will put a little picture right here of everything I used today, and I will see you guys on the next shave video. You have a great rest of your weekend.